Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have for you this lavender slash blush pink makeup tutorial, and I think it's so romantic and girly and so perfect for Valentine's Day. So first I'm starting with this eyeshadow stick, and as you can see here, it's not very pigmented, so I wasn't very happy with that, but I said to myself, let's move on and then I will figure it out. Next, I'm going with my Carli Bybel, and I'm taking this light lavender color, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Then I'm going to darken that crease a little bit more, and I'm taking the next eyeshadow from the palette. And make sure you start with little amount of product, because if you apply too much eyeshadow, then you're gonna have a hard time blending that out. So that's my advice, I guess. And I didn't want this makeup to be as dark as you saw in the intro, but when I applied that darker eyeshadow, that darker purple, I don't know why, but it was patchy, so I had to pack more eyeshadow to hide the patchiness, I guess. But I really love how this makeup turned out. Don't forget to blend. That's the secret. Blend them all. So because I wasn't happy with that eyeshadow stick, I decided to go with this highlight. This is On Point from NYX Cosmetics, and I used that wet, and I think it's such a beautiful blush pink and goes very well with this eyeshadow combo. So I don't know why, but my camera decided to play me that day, because my contour doesn't look very blended, but I swear to you, in person was different. So yeah, my camera does weird things sometimes. With that dark purple eyeshadow, I'm going to blend a little bit those edges, and also I'm going to apply that on my lower lash, and I'm going to smudge that down there. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking this gorgeous rose gold highlight, and for my inner corners, I'm taking the same highlight, but I'm mixing with some of this white highlight because I wanted that to be more bright. For blush, I didn't know exactly which one to pick, so I decided to go with this one, but on my face went more dark than you can see on camera, so it doesn't look bad, but I'm not a blush person, so it was a little bit too intense for me. Then I decided to go with this bright pink one, and that didn't do much. So as you can see, I already applied my lashes and mascara. Then I went with a clean brush to blend everything out, but it kinda looks the same. Anyway, for highlight, I'm using the same gorgeous rose gold highlight. You're asking what's next on the menu, but she's sticking to you like glue. I know you're here with somebody, but I'm going home with that body. Yeah, so tell her she can move. I really wanna move that body, move that body. To line my lips, I'm using this Essence lip liner. This is in the shade In the Nude, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. And on top of that, I'm using this NYX Butter Gloss, and I think this is such a cute combo. And don't forget to highlight your stash, because stash highlight need to be popping. No, I'm just kidding. And to finish this makeup look, I'm going to apply some fixing spray. This is from Makeup Revolution. Amazing fixing spray. And yeah, this makeup look is complete. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.